In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restart an AWS instance efficiently. First, let's open your preferred web browser and search for AWS in the search bar. AWS, or Amazon Web Services, is a comprehensive cloud platform where managing instances, like virtual servers, is just a few clicks away. Once you enter the AWS website, locate the Sign In option on the top right corner of the screen. Click it and enter your credentials to access your AWS Management Console. It's essential to ensure that your login information is secure and known only to you. Now that you've signed in, navigate to the EC2 console. The Elastic Compute Cloud, or EC2, is your go-to place for managing all virtual server instances on AWS. Once you're on the EC2 dashboard, you'll want to look for the navigation pane, typically located on the left side. Here, you'll find various options, but focus on locating the section labeled Instances. Click on Instances, and this will lead you to a new page displaying a list of all your active and inactive instances within the account. Take a moment to carefully find the specific instance that you need to restart. It might be helpful to use instance identifiers like name tags or IDs to ensure you're selecting the right one. After identifying the correct instance, click on it to highlight your choice. With your instance selected, find the Actions drop-down menu residing towards the top of the console. Give it a click and navigate towards Instance State from this drop-down. Within this submenu, you'll see a variety of actions you can take, but for our purpose today, go ahead and choose Reboot Instance. Upon selecting Reboot, a confirmation dialog should pop up on your screen. It's a safety check to ensure that you're aware of the action you seek to perform. Confirm your selection to proceed with the restart. This short pause ensures you don't accidentally reboot an instance unintentionally, which can be important, especially in a production environment. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully restarted your AWS instance. Restarting is sometimes preferred over stopping and starting anew, since it retains the instance's state better. Always remember, while rebooting an instance, like with any critical tasks, ensure your data is backed up and that downtime won't affect critical operations. Thanks for watching this quick tutorial on restarting your AWS instance. If you need more help or detailed guides, feel free to check out the resources linked in the description. Stay tuned for more tutorials, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for the latest insights and instructions on cloud management.